Hey, welcome. And now we can store the selected size to a variable. Now to do this, scroll up and over here, we are going to create a variable and we are expecting a test. So it's going to be a data type of string and we can call this underscore selected size. And currently we are not assigning any value to it. So we have to say it can be null. Then scroll down to the design for each displayed size. And remember, we are using a widget known as outline button. That is, we are creating a widget known as outline button for each size. So what we can do is within the onPress, we can set state and then we can call the underscore selected size is going to be equal to the widget dot product data and then size list. And we want to access the clicked. Remember, this is a list, right? So we want to access the clicked size based on the index. So if the first item was clicked, this is going to be 0. So which is going to be the U, okay? Uh, Index. And to make sure this is working as we expect, we can print the score selected size. Great. And open your terminal, then click on else. Okay, C7, performing out reload. Okay, we got SL over there. Great, great. So everything is working as we expect. Everything is working as we expect. So I can say I want SL of this product, SS of this product, I want SL, or I want U. So everything is working as we expect. Okay, for this we have just one size, and for this we have two size, and everything is working. So I can choose any of the size I want to buy. So seems good. And in the next lecture, we are going to continue from here.